In the world of print on demand, finding the right platform can make a huge difference in your success. The ability to sell custom design products without holding inventory is a game changer for entrepreneurs. While many people focus on the big players, there are platforms and strategies that can generate impressive profits that are often overlooked. We will explore the best print on demand platform to use today, different ways to make money on that platform, and the best ideas for products to sell that aren't saturated but have high profit potential. The top print-on-demand platform is Printify. While names like Redbubble and Teespring often comes up in the print-on-demand discussion, Printify stands out as one of the best platforms to use right now. It offers a wide range of products, integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms like Etsy and Shopify, and provides multiple print provider options, allowing you to choose based on cost, shipping time, or location. Why print on demand is the best choice in 2024? Number one, product variety. From t-shirts to home decor, wall art, and accessories, Printify offers over 600 products to customize. 2. Flexibility with print providers. Choose from a global network of print providers to find the best pricing and shipping options. 3. Affordable pricing. With Printify's premium plan, you can reduce product costs, increasing your profit margins significantly. 4. Ease of integration. Connected with Etsy, Shopify, or other platforms to instantly list products and reach more customers. 5. Low upfront costs. No need for upfront inventory purchases or warehouse space. Here are the different ways you can make money on Printify. Selling custom apparel. Custom apparel like t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts is a staple on the print-on-demand industry. But to truly maximize earnings, you need to niche down. Yeah, I know you heard it several times, but you need to niche down. Instead of general graphic tees, focus on a specific audience that's passionate about a subject. For example, a line of t-shirts with motivational quotes tailored for women in business or designed for the digital nomad community. These are underserved markets, and creating design that speaks directly to their lifestyle can set you apart. Personalized products. Personalized items like mugs, phone cases, and tote bags are highly popular, but Printify allows you to take personalization to the next level. Offering customization options such as names or dates can increase product value and customer satisfaction. An example is to offer wedding-themed tote bags or mugs that allows bridesmaids' name to be added. These kinds of items appeal to a niche event and carry high sentimental value, which allows for premium pricing. Home decor. Home decor products are trending, but not enough print-on-demand sellers are taking advantage of this opportunity. With Printify, you can create custom wall art, throw pillows, or even shower curtains that match popular home decor trends like minimalism, bohemian style, or vintage. An example is to create a line of minimalistic art prints designed for work from home office space. Think motivational phrases, clean designs, and color palettes that suit professional environments. Selling these as high quality canvas print will add significant value. Eco-friendly products. One area not many people are talking about but has high profit potential is eco-friendly products. Printify has options like eco-conscious apparel and sustainable home items, which are increasingly popular as consumers look for greener alternatives. For this example, you can launch an eco-friendly fashion line using Printify's sustainable fabric t-shirts. Pair these with slogan or design focus on environmental activism and market them to environmentally conscious consumers. You can charge more for eco-friendly items, giving you higher margins. Seasonal and holiday products. Seasonal items like Christmas ornaments, Halloween decorations, or Valentine's Day gifts are fantastic options to capitalize on specific times of the year. Limited time products drive urgency and allows you to refresh your store offerings throughout the year. For this example, during the holiday season, design personalized ornaments or stockings with family names. During Valentine's Day, focus on custom romantic gifts such as mugs with personal messages or custom photo prints. Here are some underrated product ideas with high profit potential. Customized pet products. Pet owners love spoiling their animals, and personalized pet products are still an untapped market. From custom pet beds, collars, leashes, to pet clothing, Printify has numerous options that allows you to target this highly loyal customer base. An example can be to design pet bandanas or bows that can be personalized with the pet's name. Marketing to niche dog breeds or pet enthusiasts such as pug lovers will help you stand out in a growing market. Fitness and wellness products. Wellness is booming, but few are offering custom print-on-demand products for this market. Items like yoga mats, water bottles, and fitness journals present great opportunities. For this example, you can create a fitness brand centered around motivational yoga mats or custom water bottles with inspiring quotes for those on a wellness journey. These kinds of products appeal to fitness communities and are perfect for creating repeat buyers. Journals and notebooks. Printify offers customizable journals and notebooks, which are a great product idea for people in the productivity, self-care, and study niches. These are inexpensive to produce and can be marked up considerably when marketed properly. An example is to launch a line of productivity planners aimed at entrepreneurs or self-care journals targeting mental health awareness. Pairing these with inspirational cover designs can attract a wide customer base. The next idea is custom kitchen accessories. There's a growing market for personalized kitchenware that isn't overcrowded yet. Items like cutting boards, tea towels, and aprons are great for offering unique designs. An example is to launch a collection of custom cutting boards engraved with family recipes or holiday-themed aprons that are perfect for gifts. Focus on personalized touches that make these everyday items feel special. Accessories for hobbies. Niche down into specific hobbies like gardening, painting, or baking and offer products tailored to those interests. Print-on-demand items like gardening gloves, aprons, or artist smocks, hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, could be highly profitable with the right audience. For this example, you can design gardening-themed aprons or gloves that includes inspiring quotes for green thumbs. Similarly, artist smocks with custom print can target the growing community of creatives and hobbyists. Here's a few ways you can maximize earning potential on Printify. Focus on niche markets. Going after specific underserved markets is key. The more targeted your product offering, easier it is to stand out from the competition. Whether it's eco-friendly products, personalized pet items, or products tailored for specific communities, niching down allows you to capture highly engaged customers. Offer personalization. The ability to offer personalized products gives you a massive advantage in pricing power. Customers are willing to pay more for products that feel personal or unique to them. Items like custom mugs, clothing, or home decor with names, dates, or messages always do well. Create seasonal collections. Seasonal products are great for driving urgency. Customers know that they are limited time items which motivate quicker buying decisions. Constantly refresh your store with new holiday themed design to maintain relevance throughout the year. Bundle products. Creating bundles or set of products can significantly increase your average order value. For example, offering a t-shirt, mug, and tote bag combo with matching designs can encourage customers to buy more. While Printify offers a wide range of possibilities, the key to success lies in finding underrated products and niche markets with less competition but high demand. By focusing on customization, eco-friendly items, or hobby-related products, you can maximize your earning potential and stand out from the competition. Take advantage of Printify's variety and make sure to market your store creatively. Use social media, paid ads, or influencer collaboration to drive traffic to your print-on-demand store, and soon you'll be tapping into a high-profit business that continues to grow year after year. So if you're ready to be your own boss and achieve financial freedom, it will be helpful if you can hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below of your favorite print-on-demand business idea mentioned here today. If you're new here, my name is Kareen and I do have a background in both accounting and business. Thank you for watching, and until then, believe in yourself and keep chasing your dreams. You got this.